Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best mirrorless cameras in 2024. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best mirrorless cameras. The 5th product on our list is Nikon Z5. The Nikon Z5 is a solid entry-level full-frame camera that provides plenty of power for the price. It offers one of the best electronic viewfinders and a 24-megapixel sensor that produces excellent images. Like many of its peers, it includes 5-axis in-body image stabilization and the ability to record 4K, but it's capped at 30p and not 60p. The camera is also weather-sealed, not often included at this price, making it the perfect outdoor companion. While there's a lot to like about the Nikon Z5, a few things may give you pause. The biggest downside is the continuous shooting speed is a slow 4.5 FPS, so it's not particularly suited for sports or wildlife photography. And while it can record 4K video, the picture is cropped, limiting creative flexibility. Despite a few shortcomings, the performance, weather sealing, and 5-axis IBIS make the Nikon Z5 a perfect entry for beginners. Up next, in 4th place, is the Canon EOS R6 Mark II. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is the company's most advanced full-frame mirrorless camera, and a worthy update to its predecessor. Thanks to a 24.2-megapixel CMOS sensor and updated Digic X processor, the camera offers best-in-class autofocus and image quality. It provides 1,053 selectable focusing points that cover 100% of the frame, which makes it easy for users to hit focus without issue. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II can shoot up to 12 FPS for up to 1,000 frames in JPEG and 110 frames in RAW. You can push this to 40 FPS if you use the electronic shutter. The camera can also shoot 10-bit video at 4K 60p or Full HD 120p. Meanwhile, a 5-axis stabilization system supports the image sensor. This is great for anyone who plans to use the Canon EOS R6 Mark II for action photography. If you're on the hunt for a powerful full-frame mirrorless camera capable of capturing high-quality stills and videos, look no further. The 3rd product on our list is the Sony A7 IV. The Sony A7 IV offers the best of Sony's mirrorless camera technology in a package accessible to pros and enthusiasts alike. The camera features a 33-megapixel sensor that can produce incredible stills and videos, and 759 autofocus points for advanced autofocus performance. It also supports an eye-tracking feature that will ensure you always get clean, sharp images when taking portraits or pictures of animals. You get up to 10 FPS, and the buffer permits up to 828 consecutive uncompressed RAW and JPEG when using a CF Express Type A card. The A7 IV can also record 10-bit video at 4K 60p, giving artists the ability to shoot detailed images and video with one camera. The advanced performance is thanks to the Sony Bionz XR engine, which is powerful enough to handle high-speed image processing. The Bionz XR also improves video quality, reducing rolling shutter and other motion distortions, including in poor light. Sony helped pioneer the mirrorless format, and the A7 IV proves that it continues to be a leader. The 2nd product on our list is the Sony Alpha 1. The Sony A1 is a flagship camera that excels in every category, including speed, resolution, and video capability. When you go down the list of features, it has few competitors. It boasts a 50-megapixel full-frame sensor that provides incredible image detail and dynamic range, and its high-speed autofocus system can easily track fast-moving subjects. These features make the Sony A1 an excellent choice for sports and wildlife photography. Paired with the right mirrorless lens, this is the perfect tool. The Sony A1 can shoot up to 30 FPS at full resolution, with full autofocus and auto-exposure capabilities. The camera can also record 8K 30p video and 4K 120p video, giving videographers plenty of creative flexibility. The only downside to the Sony A1 is it's by far the most expensive option on our list. But the price becomes justified when you consider Sony's camera offers incredible speed, image quality, and video capabilities in one package. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Fujifilm X-H2S. The Fujifilm X-H2S is a fantastic mirrorless camera that produces some of the best stills and videos across any format. It offers double the processing power of its predecessor and an impressive 40 fps continuous shooting with full autofocus. The camera features Fujifilm's advanced APS-C 26-megapixel X-Trans 5 stacked sensor with 425-point hybrid autofocus and AI subject detection. You also get improved 7-stop in-body image stabilization and the ability to track more subjects, including people, vehicles, airplanes, trains, and animals. The Fujifilm X-H2S can also record 10-bit video at 6.2K 30p and high-speed 4K 120p, so you can capture fast-moving subjects in slow motion. The camera supports 3 Apple ProRes codecs, which can help users streamline their workflow when shooting and editing on Apple hardware. With fantastic color science and the ability to take incredible images, this is the most powerful APS-C camera you can buy. That's all for our list of the 5 best mirrorless cameras on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.